Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go and be showing you how to apply a coupon code to your products in Amazon Seller. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video to the very end and follow my steps correctly so you can make sure this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So first things first, we're going to go and be opening up the official website of Amazon Seller. If you've not already, go to sellercentral.amazon.com. This is the main URL that you want to open up. Once you have opened it up, you'll be greeted by the main page right here. This is the home page from where we can get started. In the upper right corner, we can get started logging in. So if you do not already have an account, what you want to do is go and sign up for an Amazon Seller account that you'll be able to use to sell your products. If you have an account, just log in normally. So once you're logged in, you'll be greeted by the home page right here. That's going to look something like this, where you'll be able to go ahead and access your catalog, your history, your orders, and so on, everything that you need. And now we can get started applying our coupons to our products. So what do we have to do? As you can see right here on the official Sell of Amazon help page, we can take a look at guide to running Amazon Seller promotions such as coupons. So how do we get started with adding coupons? As you can see, you have the steps right here: how to run promotions, how to run deals, and how to run coupons. Basically guys, coupons give customers a percentage off for any specific item. So what you want to do, go ahead and learn more about coupons, is go to the Amazon deals page, and on the products they have added to their cards, they're going to go and be able to use their coupons. So basically guys, what you're going to do is click the learn more about coupons section right here. That's going to take us to the coupons homepage. So clicking the coupons homepage is going to take us to this option right here. As you can see, where we can get started with managing all the products that can use coupons, and we can get started with creating our coupons. So in the dashboard you can go into the section right here that says programs. With the programs and your store section, we can get started creating any coupons for our products. So once you open up the product, just click to create a coupon for a product that you'll be able to add, and then follow the steps right here. You'll be able to go ahead and add that product to your Amazon Seller, and it's easy as that. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. So guys, thanks for watching, take care, and bye.